couple of months ago I made a solid-state turn signal module for older motorcycles, but I never had time to actually build it in my bike and to make a video, so we're gonna do that today. The PCB is coated for moisture protection and it's wrapped in heat shrink. Since my HvandeVen doesn't actually have turn signal lights, I mounted these two temporarily just to show you how the module works. So if you turn it on to the left or to the right, it will just keep blinking like a normal turn signal relay until you cancel it. But if you only switch it on one time to the left or to the right, it will blink 3 times and then stop. That's the same as you see in most modern vehicles these days. And a special feature that I built in is that if you use a sequence of left right center, or right left center, you can use the turn signal lights as hazard lights. And these will just keep blinking until you turn on the switch to the left or to the right one time. So let's see that again. And then just switch one time to cancel.